It's time to ask one very important question. How should we generate the distance to galaxies? To answer this question, I propose to solve another problem. Let's create a square and a circle inscribed in it. Now let's generate random points inside square and mark them. The green ones are inside the circle, the red ones are not. The function for a single point. Let's call it many times. This is how the uniform distribution looks like. Now let's imagine that we don't have a square. And we need to generate points only inside the circle. It comes to mind to use a polar coordinate system. Random angle, random distance. Let's take fewer dots this time because they all be green. Our distribution didn't turn out to be uniform, rather Gaussian. To solve this problem, there is a trick. Magic. The square root of random values from 0 to 1 bring all the values closer to 1. And we are getting a uniform distribution. In three-dimensional space, we need to use cubic root. For our purposes, a square one will be quite enough. Let's fix it in our code. And let's change the number of galaxies. It looks great. We'll continue in the next video.